and share and subscribe and like.
Friends, welcome to this new video. In this video we will see the factorization, very the how to factorize if there are more than three terms. Suppose um, we want to factorize this 6xy minus 4y plus 9x minus 6. Now friend, you can observe that from the first two terms uh, we can take y common, and also factor of 6 are 3 and 2, 3 into 2, and 4 can be written as a 2 into 2. So here we can take this 2 as a common term from these first two. Okay, so we write in terms of this factor 3 into 2 into x into y minus 2 into 2 into y plus 9 means 3 into 3 into x, and we write this 6 as a 3 into 2. Okay, see the first two terms, here we can take 2 common, this 2 common, so we cancel this and we write here. Again we can take y common, cancelling this y, the to clearly write the remaining terms. So we have taken as a y common 2y, and the remaining term, so we have taken from these two, and therefore we write the remaining term in the bracket, and these are in multiplication, so we have 3x minus 2 and plus, also you can see that here is 3, here is 3, so we take 3 common from this, and to avoid confusion we cancel out these 3, and what is remaining there, we have 3x minus 2. Now look at this friend, from these two terms we have again 3x minus 2 as a common terms here, therefore we write this 3x minus 2 as a common, and also we cancel this to avoid confusion. Now what is remaining, you can see that we have 2y and here is 3. So this is the factorization of 6xy minus 4y plus 9x minus 6. Again if we consider another example, x square minus ax minus bx plus ab. Okay, you observe that here is a x square and here is x. We can take x common from the first two. If we take x common from this first two, this is x square into x, we have taken x common, so one x is cancelled, and what remains, we have one x with, so we write there x minus a. Again here we take minus b common, because if we take plus b, look at this, if we take b common we get here minus x, b cancelled here from this, and we have b, and minus x plus a. Okay, but look at this, we have x minus a as a factor, and therefore that is why we take minus b common. We need x minus a here, and therefore you can write by taking plus, and you can see that we have minus x plus a. But observe these two, this the sign of these two terms is a different, okay, and therefore we cannot take common from these two. But if we take minus sign common, or if we multiply here minus in the bracket and in the outside, we will get a similar terms, x into x minus a. Here we have taken minus b common. If we minus common, then sign of the bracket terms uh, changes, so minus x we become plus x, and plus a becomes minus a, and here you will see that this is a similar term and we can take as a common from these two, x minus a, x minus a, and what we get now in the remaining terms, this will be x minus b. Okay, so factorization of this is x minus a into x minus b. Let us take again another examples. 3ab plus 2a plus 6b plus 4. Now from these first two terms you can see that a is common and not 3 or 2. Therefore if we take a common, what is remaining? A get cancelled, and what we have now, remaining terms 3b plus 2 plus, again 6 means 3 into 2, and 4 means we have 2 into 2. So if we take 2 common from this, we have 2, 2 get common, so we have cancelled, and what remains here? 3 remains. So 3 plus 3b plus 2, and again 3b plus 2 is similar to both these terms. So let us take that common, 3b plus 2, and the remaining term is a plus 2. Okay. uh, Also you can see that we have this type of factorization, but sometimes we can rearrange the terms. If we write this as a 3ab plus 6b plus 2a plus 4, just we have a rearrangement of these terms, or we call it as a regrouping. Okay, sometimes it is necessary to regroup the terms, and which will easily we can factorize this. Okay, so that means we have 3 into a into b plus 3 into 2 into b plus 2 into a plus 2 into t 2, and you can see that here 3, we can take 3 common, and also b common. Taking 3b common, we have a plus uh, a plus this 2, right? B get cancel, b get cancel, b 3 get cancel, and then we have only a plus 2 plus, again you we have 2 common, so 2 get cancel, common term, and remaining term is a plus 2. So a plus 2, a plus 2, we have a plus 2 into 3b plus 2. So by regrouping the terms, we can factorize this also. Okay, so let us take one more example of this regrouping. X minus 7 plus 7yz minus xyz. Okay, xyz. Now here for these two terms nothing is common, so we take one common and we write it as x minus 7 plus. Now here is y, here is y, here is y, so we write it as a y z, and what is remaining? Y cancel, y can z cancel, y cancel, z cancel, and remaining, what remains? 7 minus x. But look at this, we have here x minus 7, but in the second factor we get 7 minus, second term we get 7 minus x. So we take a minus common and we write it as 1 into x minus 7 minus yz into x minus 7. Now we can take x minus 7 as a common. This is equal to x minus 7 into 1 minus yz. So this is a what we have a factorization of these terms. Okay, now again if we have another example, suppose 15 pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. 15, here we can take 15 common from these two, and what we get here, you can see 15 as a common, and we have pq plus 1 if we group like this, plus, and for these two terms, what is factorization of 9? Factorization of 9 is 3 into 3. Factorization of 25 is 5 into 5, and for these two terms nothing is common. Okay, so therefore we cannot factorize these terms if we put this term as it is, and that is why it is necessary to rearrange these terms or regroup these terms, or by changing the place of these terms, that that changes may gives us a factorization. Okay, so if we write these terms as a 15pq plus 25p plus 9q plus 15. Okay, and here what is 15? 15 is a 3 into 5 into p into q, plus what is 25? 25 we write it as 5 into 5 plus into p, plus 9 into 3 into q, plus 3 into 5. Now common terms, 5, 5 is common, 5 again, common term is pp, we have pp is common, so we have 5p, and remain 3q plus 5, plus here you can see 3 3 3 is common another, so 3, if we take 3 common, we have 3q is remaining, and plus 5. Look at this, again we have 3q plus 5, 3q plus 5, so we write it as a 3q plus 5 and 5p plus 3. Okay, so by a regrouping, here we have rearranged the terms, or a regrouping made us possible to factorize this expression, and if we put it as it is not possible to factorize these terms, and therefore sometimes we need to regroup to factorize these terms, and therefore it is called as a factorization by a regrouping.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.